Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the new method to disable the ad blocker on Google Chrome in 2024. Whether it's an extension or Chrome's built-in feature causing the issue, I'll walk you through step by step. Let's get started. First, let's identify if an ad blocker is installed as an extension. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, hover your cursor over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. Here, you'll see all installed extensions. If you find one labeled AdBlock or uBlock Origin, simply toggle it off. If you don't need it anymore, hit Remove. Next, let's tweak Chrome's built-in ad settings. Click the three dots in Chrome again and go to Settings. Now, navigate to Privacy and Security, then find Site Settings. Scroll down to Additional Content Settings and select Intrusive Ads. Ensure the option for Allowed is selected. This lets Chrome display ads across all websites and disables its internal blocking feature. If you prefer to disable the ad blocker only for specific websites, here's how. Visit the site where ads are blocked. Click on the padlock or Not Secure icon in the URL bar. From the drop-down, select Site Settings. Look for the Ads option, set it to Allow, and refresh the page. Boom! You're all set. Still having trouble? Let's troubleshoot. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Check cached images and files and cookies, then hit Clear Data. Ensure your Chrome browser is up to date. Click on the three dots, go to Help, and select About Google Chrome. Finally, restart your browser for the changes to take effect. And that's all it takes to disable your ad blocker on Google Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.